them. Oh, sorry. Today we're going to talk about kind of like the same stuff that we did with segments, and we're going to add them. And like so yesterday, or not yesterday, I'm sorry. What kind of it was? When we had segments, when we took like this chunk plus this chunk equals the whole chunk, we're kind of going to do the same thing with angles. Okay, two small angles are going to add up to be our big angle. And so like that little red thing down here is called the segment addition postulate. We have the angle addition postulate. So all it says is if I have pretty much a line that cuts through a big angle, I can take the two small angles and add them together to equal that big angle. Okay, so what that looks like is I can have this little angle here. So angle ABD. Remember when we name angles, we have our vertex in the middle. So I can take that angle plus this angle here, angle DBC, good. And it has to equal my big angle ABC. So same sort of thinking. Two small things add up to be the big thing. Okay. So if angle ABD here is 48 degrees and DBC is 78 degrees, how can I figure out how much ABC is? What do I do with those two things? Add them. Good. 48 plus 78, we got calculators? 126. Good. 126 degrees plus 2. Okay. If angle DBC, so this angle here is 74 degrees, and angle ABC, my whole angle is 119. When I talk about the big angle, I always put mine outside. Whatever helps you is cool. So if I have 119 degrees, my big one, 74 is the little one, how can I find this angle right here? Add them? Subtract them. Take your big minus one of your smalls, and you'll get the other small. And how much degrees is ABD? That's cool. Somebody take 119 minus 74. 45, thank you. 45 degrees. Okay. Questions? Just like the segment addition, the only thing that gets harder is the added x's. It's the same sort of process, just put in x's so we can do some algebra stuff. Alright, so it tells me PQS is 13x plus 4, SQR is 10x minus 1, and then my whole angle PQR, it says up here, is 141 degrees. How can I find x? Add what? 13x. To two small angles. Yeah. My stuff in my angles. Add them and do equal what? Good, 141. So you take 13x plus 4 plus 10x minus 1 is equal to 141. Kind of like before when we took our tops plus our tops and said equal to our bottom. Same sort of thing, like inside plus inside is your outside. Alright, how much x do I have on the left side?
23.
23x plus how much? 3. Equal to 141. I'm going to solve for x.
Subtract 3.
Good. 23x equals how much? 138. Which makes x how much? 6. So put that inner line over here. I also want to know, this M stands for measure, the measure of angle PQS, which is right here. How can I find how much that is?
Plug it in.
6 and
Plug it in, good. So I'm going to take 13, 6 plus 4, and how much does that give me?
82.
82? That's set, right?
Yep.
Okay. 82 degrees. Then I need to find SQR. SQR, this angle right here, how do I do it?
59.
Plug it in. 10 times 6 minus 1 gives me
59.
59 degrees. How can I check to make sure that that is right?
5, 6.
Add them together, add what to? What colors?
82.
Yeah, add these, and what should they better equal?
141.
Yeah, 141. This green thing right here, they better equal it, do they?
Yep.
Yeah. Good. Okay. Questions there? Alright, it says DEF. DEF. So my big angle is 6x plus 4.
7x.
Oh, I'm sorry, what did I say?
6.
Oh, can't even read, sorry. Thank you. And then DEG is 5x plus 1. And GEF is 23. Everyone know how to find out what angle they're talking about? You just kind of follow the points. And whichever ones make the angle is where you put your info. Alright, what should I do?
23 plus 5x plus 1 equals 7x.
Good. Add your inside set it equal to your outside. So we got 5x plus 1 plus 23 equal to my big angle, 7x plus 4. Only have 5x plus 24. Now how do I subtract?
Subtract 4.
Subtract 4. Can we do x's first?
Subtract 5.
There we go. Now,
Subtract
and how much is x?
10.
10. Good. Now it says find DEG. What color is DEG over in my little picture?
Green.
Green. Good. How am I going to do it?
Plug in 10.
Plug in 10. 5 times 10 plus 1 gives me
51.
51. Good. What color is DEF?
Red.
Red. Plug my 10 in there. 7 times 10 plus 4 gives me.
74.
How can I check to make sure it's right? Subtract green and red, and what should I get?
23.
Good. Or you can take 51 plus 23 and do we get 74? Yeah. Or you can take 74 minus 51. Either way, it works out. Good. Okay. Questions there? Let's actually skip 5 and we'll go 6. Six tells me angle DEF. So DEF is a straight angle. What does that mean?
It's 180.
It's 180 degrees. That's the line. My straight angle, this angle right here, is 180 degrees. Then it tells me DEG. DEG is 23x minus 3. GEF. GEF is 12x plus 8. How can I set up some sort of equation to solve for x?
23x minus 3 plus 12x plus 8 equals 180.
Good. Add my two colors that are equal to 180. 23x minus 3 plus 12x plus 8 equals 180. Two small angles have to equal the big angle.
Holy
How much x on the left?
35.
35x plus what?
5.
Next thing.
Minus
Good. Minus 5. And how much is x?
170. You got 5.
Should be 5. 175 divided by 35. Probably should.
Oh yeah, you're right.
DEG. What color?
Green.
Red.
Red. What do I do with my 5? Plug it in. 23 times 5 minus 3. How much?
115.
Close.
112.
112. There you go. GEF is what color?
Green.
Green. 12 times 5 plus 8 gives me
68.
68. DEF, I already know what it's supposed to equal. What's it supposed to equal?
180.
How can I check? Add these two. Do I get 180? Good. So I know it's supposed to be 180, and it is indeed 180. Okay, how are you feeling?
Good.
Good. Okay. TUW. TUW is 5x plus 3. WUV is 10x minus 5. And TUV, my whole thing is 17x minus 16. I suppose I could have written that a normal way. Let me do that. Which two colors am I going to add together?
TUW.
Red and green, I'm going to do what?
Equal to blue.
Equal to blue, good. 5x plus 3 plus 10x minus 5 equals 17x minus 16. Algebra, how much x do I have on the left?
15.
15 plus what?
-2.
Ooh, good, -2. Or minus 2 or plus -2, whatever. X is first.
Subtract 15.
Minus my 15x, and I get 2x. Now what?
Add 16.
Add 16 to get
14.
14.
x is
7.
7. TUW is what color?
Green. Red.
Red. 5 times 7 plus 3 gives me
38.
38. What color is WUV?
Green.
Green. 10 times 7 minus 5.
65.
65. And TUV is blue. 17 times 7 minus 16 gives me how much?
130.
103. Can I check something somewhere?
Yes.
Yeah, what?
Add 38 and 65.
Do 38 and 65 equal 103? Okay. Questions on angle addition? Okay. This next one, we add in some word problem-y type things. Okay. It tells me ECD, this angle right here, is 6 less than 5 times angle BCE, this angle here, and BCD, my whole angle, is 162. Okay. Well, it says ECD is 6 less than 5 times BCE. Do I know what BCE is?
No.
No. So guess what? We're going to call it
X.
X. Good. Doesn't even look like X. Okay. Now I go back, and ECD is 6 less than 5 times that angle. How does that look in math lingo?
5 by 6.
Good. 5 times this. This is X, so 5 times X, and then 6 less. Less meaning subtract. 6. Good. Other than that, it's just what we've been doing. Red and green, add them. Set equal to blue. My big angle. I don't know why I put the 3 cent there. How's X over there?
6x.
6x minus 6 is 162. Add 6. And we get how much?
168.
How much is x? 28. BCE should be pretty easy to find. Why?
Because it's x.
Because it's just x, so how big is it? 28 degrees. ECD is my red, so plug 28 in, we got 5 times 28 minus 6, which gives me
134.
134. Is there a way to check?
Yeah.
Yeah, how do I check?
Add them. I don't know.
Add them and they better equal
164.
162, do they? Okay. Now we add on like one more thing. ABF, it tells me is 6x plus 26. EBF, this tiny little thing right here, is 2x minus 9. And then it says ABE is 11x minus 31. Question. Do you think they're talking about, I know they're talking about AB here, do you think they're talking about this bottom angle or the top angle? The bottom. That's the only way it makes sense. Unless you want to talk about 360 degrees, but let's not. So this whole angle right here is 11x minus 31. Let's just set it up and we won't solve. We've done enough solving. How do I set it up?
Six x plus 26 plus 2x minus 9 equals 11x minus 31.
Do small things equal my big thing. Questions on 9? tells me BD, this line right here, bisects angles CBE. What does it mean to bisect?
It's in the middle. It goes right through the middle.
Goes right through the middle. So what do I know about EBD and CBD? They're the same. Bisects, cuts in half. So I have two angles that are the same. It also tells me BC is some wacky thing to BA. What's this wacky thing mean? Perpendicular, yeah. What does it mean to be perpendicular? What? What angle does it make?
Right.
A 90, a right angle. So BC here and BA make a little box. We got a 90. Then it tells me CBD right here is 3x plus 25. And DBE is 7x minus 19. I need to find ABD. That angle right there. Okay. Well, it wouldn't tell us something about bisects unless we used it. You got an idea? No? No. Tell me.
3x plus 25 equals 7x.
That's 19. Yeah. Our green and blue have to be equal because BD bisects. Bisects means it makes equal things. Since they're equal, we set them equal. So 3x plus 25 equals 7x minus 19.
Where's the 90 degrees come
It's like a multi-step thing. How much x? 4x. Then what?
Add 19.
Add 19, that gives me
in? 44.
44. How much is x? 11. So Lydia says that's sweet, but I'm looking for this black angle here. How does x being 11 help me find this black angle? Plug it in where? What color?
Plug in the 3x and then
Yeah.
add 90.
Yeah. I'm gonna plug it into my green thing. Right here. So I got 3 times 11 plus 25. How much is that angle? 58. So if this right here is 58 degrees and we know this is 90, how do I find that angle? Add them. 58 plus 90. 148 degrees. Okay. Questions?